My goodness gracious, has it been a week already? Welcome to the 350Z V35 G35 rear toe arm install video, aka the one you need to run real coilovers. You're going to get some bubble wrap sticks of hex-shaped 6061 T6 aluminum, bearings, bushings, and dust boots. Woo! The bearings are PTFE lines, so dust boots aren't needed, but if you do want to install them, put them on like this and slip the nut on after. It also comes with a set of analog instructions for your viewing pleasure. Now let's get that coilover hindering rear bucket POS out. Yes, this one. This is why you need to get rid of the OEM ice cream scooper to run coilovers. Start by removing the outer nut and bolt, then the inner nut, bolt, and washers, then turn that thing into a flower pot or something. Now let's talk about adjustment. The minimum length you can run is going to be 427 millimeters or 16.81 inches. But where we like to start, as with all of our arms, is going to be OEM length, which in this case is 445 millimeters or 17.51 inches center to center. Now, for the maximum length, we're going to be talking about 482 millimeters or 18.97 inches for those that like to run all the toe in. We recommend starting at OEM length and winding in or out depending on your grip preferences. Now, this little guy sucks at life under hard driving and will probably move even without being as cool as this dude. Good Lord have mercy. Upsell. Luckily, we've got you covered with our eccentric lockout kits. Now, let's install the GKTech toe arm. Pop the inner side in and install the washer, nut, and bolt we just sold you on, then casually slip the outer side on as well as the nut and bolt there. Now make sure the bearing is running central and not dressing left or right, centered like my chi. Now torque the inner side to these specs on the screen and move to the outer side and torque those johnnies down to these specs as well. Throw a wrench on the hex-shaped arm and tighten both of the locking nuts down, and there she is in all her splendor, ready for you to install a real set of coilovers and adjust some toe. Wow, shameless plug number 47. Follow us on YouTube. I talk a lot and John never drops vids, so there's that. If you can install these, find a pro who can and get at us with any questions via electronic mail. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach as in Yak with a Z, signing off until next week. Peace.